Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to watch YouTube Shorts in slow motion, and let's get started. As you know, if you go to Shorts and search for one video, go right here, and if we choose these three dots we can really play in slow motion or fast motion. So I'm going to show you how to do it. You're gonna like this video. After this, go out from the Shorts feed. You're gonna click on your profile picture, which is at the bottom right. Go to playlists, view all, and click on liked videos. So as you can see, in our liked videos playlist, all of the videos and also the shorts become the normal regular epic videos. And if we click on it and click on settings at the top right, you can see that we can change the playback speed. We can choose slow motion and also the fastest motion. So I think that's it, and I hope the video was very helpful for you. If it actually was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. See you soon.